Hello, this is lift number 1.
Hello, this is lift number 1. It's my turn. I've got this one back. Now,
Yep. Oh. Right, it's proceed. Did work.
PG. That's that. I'm not telling you the door's going to glitch.
It always does. Never closes straight away.
There we go. The old one used to, the old.
There we go. Was working this week.
Your turn.
It always does this. It always. Even at G it did. Even. Yeah. Hello, this is lift number 1. Oh yeah, mine, so it's called it in. Jeez! It won't do a big bump. This is the one someone got stuck in before. This is... That's a staff lift. That's a staff.
Mine just clicked G.
Let's listen to it.
They make it smoother.
Huh?
It's not broken. They fixed it.
That's a staff lift going up. Mine just clicked UG.
Yeah. Just wanted to make sure we didn't want to get in. Oh, God.
Be quiet.
Here we are. Oh, now I'm getting stuff.
Did work, it did. It's a bit smoother this week. It's
Peaky Castlepoint.
there we go. It's there. This is lift number 4 in being It's there. It's now. It's there, this one. Yeah.
This one never bumps. This one does. This one's faster.
Here we are at G. Anyone? No, you're clear to cut UG.
I hope I am. They want to get on it now. Or it took a bit longer to get up to it.
Always gets lower pitches. That usual man. That. Now it's to close that. Lift number 4. Hello, this is lift number 2.
Number 2. Is it broken or not?
Working it. Do they want to get on it? No. No. Want to make sure he didn't want to get on it.
Whoa, that's hard.
Your turn to click G.
Yeah, and you're in. There's 3.
You G.
My turn to click UG.
Now it's at G. Now it's.
Always during lift number 2, someone takes it all.
Now it's.
You can use this one on the way back.
No one, hey man, it is sweet. There's this lift number 3 and it ticks that. And there's this lift number 3.
Walk slowly, so it doesn't matter if we have to call it in.
Whose turn is supposed to call it in?
My turns, it's sharp.
Someone's only just used it.
Your turn. It didn't do any bumps through because someone had just used it.
Hydraulics sound bad today, though.
It's
Is it your turn to click UG?
all on 6. Yeah, now.
No.
We could click it quick. I swear they fixed that.
Well, let's listen.
No, it ain't bad. Here we are, Eugene. High pitch today, it's...
Didn't break it, did it? Went really hard, though.
As in when it went between floors before. There we go.
Anyone wanting to use it? No. Hello, this is lift number 4. Open it. Now?
Yeah. Now let's focus in there.
No. There we go. Your turn to click zero.
Smells like it's number 2. Here it smells.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Here you go.
Going
Sam's
down.
jump in Sam's. Not with Sam's. What if freeze?
Huh?
Level 0.
We knew how to get out. We never.
Doors opening.
There we go. Your turn. I have to wait until the door's open.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Doors opening.
Here we are.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Oh, because it's not there, lost.
This is lift number 5. Who says it's supposed to call it in?
My turn.
Wow, actually a lift that's already there.
Doors opening.
Why does it click
Going
zero?
down. Please
No,
mind
those
the
ones
doors.
don't bump.
Doors
Down.
closing.
Those ones.
Going down.
Those ones are really good when you're there. It's like there
Level
already.
0.
Oh, I thought it was not open then.
Your turn to click 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
That went harder. Just because the old one did.
Level 1.
Sainsbury lifts. That's smooth, look. Lift number 6, we stay on when we get up the first
Please
time.
mind
Unless
the
there's
doors.
people
Doors
waiting.
closing.
That always bangs.
Sam's
Always.
6.
This
Six.
one's 6. Binge fuck. Who says it's supposed to call it in?
Your turn. And it was just in, it went past. You ought to click Eugene, you ought to click G on the way. It went the second time, you ought to click G. And my turn to click Eugene second time.
There we go.
That went a bit hard.
Mine's click G.
This one does get used now. Hopes it doesn't break. You ought to click G again. That's a come on. Ooh, that sounded funny. Yeah.
It's okay though.
Get out at G's second time.
Oh.
That jolted. And you call it in again, you. Yes, lift. Swine in it. Film the lift sign now.
Yeah.
Before someone sends it up.
Your turn to click 1.
Come on, it closes. That one did it. Bit rattly this one, it's... There we go.
It's different one. Whose turn?
Oh yeah, my turn, so I did it last time, your turn. There we go.
It had to be not there with the security guards.
There's the usual security guards. There we go. This one doesn't rattle like the cities.
Going
That's
down.
pushed G this time.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Gee, I'll be close.
Going down. Level 0. Doors opening.
We stopped a bit over. Oh yeah, we did.
Please mind the
My
doors.
turn to call it in.
Doors closing.
Oh, I thought it said going up. I thought it said. Always it's not there, lift number 5.
Who is it?
Where's lift 6 at? Jeez, Raz. Why is it filmed lift 6? What was...
Oh, it's coming. So you have to move back.
Shopper, it's...
Is it security?
No, shopper. Please.
Alex could have to wait to get in, so he could have to.
Unless he doesn't have to use it.
Is it my turn?
Yes.
Please mind
Unless
the
he doesn't
doors.
have to use it. Unless he'll use 6. There we
Going
go.
up.
6. Unless he's done 5.
Level 1.
That usual skill.
Doors open.
Even that one's rattling now. Never the difference. Yeah, they're by lift 4 now.
Please
Oh,
mind the doors.
yeah.
Doors closing.
Had to wait on this one at G.
Oh, hello, this is lift number 4.
Hello, this is lift number 4.
Whose turn?
My turn. Hydro Plus. You didn't get stuck in it, which is good.
So, mine's just clicked through.
Yeah.
Please mind the
Oh,
doors.
that bumped.
Doors
No, it
closing.
just banged.
Going
Anyway,
down.
that's stuck.
Level 0.
We trust it. Lifts.
Doors opening.
It's not a death trap on brand. You all turn to call it in again.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Yep. So do it now?
Yeah. This one's always it.
Going up.
I swear this one bangs when you get in.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going
There we
up.
go.
Level 1. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors
Go
closing.
on to the Oakland lifts next.
There you go. Daughter. Hello, this is lift number 3.
She might be. Oh, it won't be there. It won't.
I had an idea she would eat it to push chair.
Because it's broke.
Wait, Harry won't come on it yet. Yes! There we go.
Stops in that room.
Is it?
Now, he'll accept it if you do it earlier.
Yes!
It lights up now if number 3's called.
No one waiting.
It lights. I swear it never used to light. Lift number 2's downstairs now.
Right, hopefully it'll go up in a minute.
It will do. Just give it time.
I have pressed the button.
Here we go. I'll turn next. I click ground. What? That is much faster for you. Didn't do anything. It's normal. Not as. He stopped us first time. It was fine this time round. Oh, how do you know that cleaner won't want to use it up? We'll let him use it up
If he wants to use it, if he
We'll let him
wants.
go up first.
Is he gonna? Does he want to use the lift? Don't think so.
In case he does. No, he wants to show past it.
Who says he's supposed to call it in?
My turn. Never re-levels when you've only just used it.
Oh.
Used it, we've. If he's good, if
Stuck. This is lift number 2. Well, hopefully we don't get stuck.
I call it. Is it gonna stop?
Hopefully not.
Hasn't so far. I reckon it was around here it stopped.
Probably here.
Didn't stop for that. Oh.
Why does quick cherry?
It wasn't the down, it's. Oh, we nearly stopped. We nearly stopped going down, we knew. Huh? I only need to go down. Do that with smooth up. Stuck in it. Now. Mine. And if don't stop. Didn't stop, it did. B&Q Castle. That's. There we go. B&Q.
This is lift number 1 in B&Q. Lift number 1.
It's downstairs, and it's...
That's handy.
It's there anymore. Can't go in the staff. No. Unless both of those ones are broken.
Downstairs again.
Oh, on this then. Where's your turn.
They come in.
Are you coming in?
Yeah.
Nonce.
Huh?
There we go. That's, you know, it's your
No, no one. My turn.
Yeah. We can stay in.
Oh. Oh, on this side.
I didn't say it. What's up, babe?
There we go.
We're upstairs. Ooh! That bumped.
Bumped when I went out.
The other one doesn't.
This is lift number 4.
One's used it.
And this is lift number 4.
Number 4 is no one down.
It's going up. You coming in or you staying out?
Staying now for number 4.
Before it comes up.
Lost that. Why's the kitchen? I heard it. Already we're downstairs.
Right.
My turn. So I called it. What's this? Oh, it bumped again. We got to get
Oh, so you want to use it or not?
no. Then it would lift number 1 outside and which would be yours.
So, and this is lift number 1. And this is lift number 1.
Gee!
So someone's used it.
It's actually not their second time.
Now,
Yeah. I call it from G.
And that's it then.
Yeah.
Till next week.
I took it G. Because it always does. It's ridiculous like this. Level 5, please do not use the lift. Always does this. Unless it's normal for this.
It's here, eventually closed. Might just click one.
Got a nice chime on this lift. That's cute. Let's wait. It always does this. We'll eventually get up. There we go.
Time to get up.
It stops.
There we go.
Hey.
I like going on the lifts. Max there.